How to redeem a DoorDash gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can redeem a DoorDash gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to redeem your DoorDash gift card, first of all, you want to simply go ahead and then open the DoorDash application over here. Once you open the DoorDash app, just make sure that you're signed into the account, and then you're going to see this type of interface where basically what you need to do is just tap the account option from the bottom right in order to come to this page here. Once you're on this page, if you scroll down here, you'll find this option known as gift cards. You want to make sure to just tap on the gift cards option. And as you tap the gift cards option over here, you can see have a gift card, enter the gift card pin. So all you need to do is just make sure to enter your gift card code that you have over here in this case. Once you make sure to enter them, just tap the redeem gift card option. If your gift card code is correct, then your gift card is going to get successfully redeemed. This way you can redeem your DoorDash gift card. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.